Let's go over the Walgreens online deals this week. It's actually a little better to coupon online at Walgreens this week compared to in-store because they have a couple different coupon codes that you can use. Save 20 is still working for 20% off of a $60 or more order, or you can use code LUCKY17. That's only available for the next 4 days. That is 17% off of a $17 order or more. So either one of those works. So if there's a deal that you want to do, sometimes it's better to do it online because you're able to use coupon codes to further reduce your out-of-pocket cost. So I'm just gonna give you one example real quick, and then we're gonna pop over to my computer and I'm gonna show you exactly what you can do. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna be sharing with you all of the in-store deals that you can take advantage of as well, because there are some really good deals this week going on at Walgreens. Below in the description box is a printable breakdown to make it as easy as possible for you guys to score this deal. So here's an example of why online would sometimes be better. The Persil is on sale for $5.99 in-store and online. There's no digital coupons, but you can submit to Ibotta for $1.50 cash back. If you do it in-store, you'll wind up paying $4.47 as your final cost after Ibotta. If you do it online and you incorporate that in an order of $17 or more, you could use code LUCKY17, save an additional 17% off, and still get the $1.50 back, because when you pick up your curbside order, always want to make sure that you go in store, ask them for your pickup order, and ask them for a paper receipt. Most stores still offer a paper receipt. Some do not, so just keep that in mind. So that way you'll still be able to get your $1.50 back, and it just winds up being cheaper. So let's pop over to my computer so I can show you an insane deal. We're gonna score $70 worth of products for free in a $19 moneymaker. It has a relatively low out-of-pocket, and your cash cost is even still a $4 moneymaker deal. So anyone can do this. Let me show you how. The first thing you want to do is start with Rakuten, because right now for St. Patrick's Day, they're offering 10% back for a ton of different stores. Walgreens is one of them, but this only lasts for another 10 hours. So you're going to want to make sure that you place your order ASAP so that way you don't forget. So what you're going to do is go to Rakuten.com. If you're new to Rakuten, they have an amazing bonus. When you use my link and you spend $30 out of pocket, you're going to get $30 cash back plus the 10% cash back. So I'll put the link below in the description box if you're new. Whether you're new or a current user like myself, everybody gets the 10%. So make an account, then you're going to search for Walgreens at the top. Mine is right here because it's under my favorites and most visited, because I shop at Walgreens and CVS every single week. Then you're going to click on Walgreens. It's going to transfer you over to the regular Walgreens website. And then you're going to log into whatever Walgreens account that you want. And then you're going to add products to your cart. Now, there's also some promo codes going on for Walgreens. Another thing real quick, see how this popped up on the top right where it says Rakuten activate 10%. I have the, what's that called? I can't even think of the name right now, but I have this installed as well. The browser app or something, I don't know, because that way, whenever you're shopping online, if you're on like Etsy or Macy's or whatever, and you forget to check Rakuten first, this will pop up for the browser extension. That's what it's called, browser extension. And then all you have to do is click the button and then it activates it for you. Bam. And now I can go on about my merry way. So notice there is another code going on right now. Save an extra 17% with code LUCKY17. So you can try that one. Also, Save 20 was still working this morning when I was messing with it. So definitely try that one as well if you're doing over $60, which this exact example is $70. So you will be able to use that. If for some reason it's not working, try Lucky 17. This only lasts for 4 days though. So again, make sure you place your order today so you can stack all of the different deals on top of each other to get the very best price. So these are the products you're gonna wanna add to your cart. I'm gonna read the order off my phone and show you guys at the same time. So you're gonna wanna grab 2 of the Bic Soleil razors. This is a new one that they have that's only $4.99. It's buy one, get one half off, and there's a 3-off-1 digital coupon, so clip that. Then you're gonna wanna grab 2 CoverGirl Eye. The cheapest product included is $6.99 for these brow pencils. So the brow pencils that I actually use like every single day, so it works out for me to just constantly buy them because I do use them. They are buy one, get one half off, and there's a 2-off-1 digital coupon. The second product, you're gonna submit to checkout 51 to get $2 cash back. Next, you're gonna grab one of the Crest, that's $5 for the Crest toothpaste. Has to be the $5 one because that's the one that works with this digital booster. For buy two, get $5 in Walgreens cash. So you're gonna wanna clip that. Then we're gonna grab 2 of the NYX Professional Lip Liners, which again, I use quite often. They're $4.99, which is super cheap, and there's a $4 digital coupon, so clip that. Next, we're grabbing 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive. I grabbed 1 shampoo, and then I'll show you I grabbed a conditioner as well. They're $5.99 each, regular price, but we have a 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon and a 3 off 2 store coupon. So those are gonna stack and work together. Then you're gonna grab 1 Oral-B that's also $5, again, so it works with that booster to get $5 back in Walgreens cash. And we have a $1 off 1 digital coupon for that, so make sure that you clip it. We're also grabbing 2 Maybelline Baby Lips. So here's one right here for $5.99. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Here's that second L'Oreal Paris that I grabbed. Here's the second Maybelline Baby Lips. I just grabbed 2 different colors. Then you're also gonna grab a Renew multi-purpose solution for contacts. It's a really good deal to actually buy 2 if it's a product you need, but my store only had 1. Literally every store I even put in Walgreens only had 1 available. They're buy one, get one half off at $8.99, but there's a $3 manufacturer digital and a $3 store digital coupon. So again, those stack and work together. Plus we have that promo code that we're gonna be using, and I'll show you that in just a second. Oh wait, one more thing. You also wanna make sure that you clip this digital booster if you haven't used it yet. For the beauty deal of spend $25, get $10 in Walgreens cash. We have over $25 in beauty products. Even with the promo code, you're still gonna be okay. Beauty products are $32.44. Minus the promo code, you're at $25.95. So you're still over $25 before manufacturer coupon, so you will earn back the Walgreens cash. So here's the breakdown. We have $71 worth of products, which is insane. Then the promo code and everything comes off, and this is that right here. I used code SAVE20 like you see, it worked, and I got another $7 off. So that shows under promos and coupons, that's store coupons and then the promo code. Then manufacturer coupons, another $23 off. You're paying $37.87 out of pocket. Then you're gonna earn back $15.70 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the beauty booster and 5 for the Crest and Oral-B deal. Then you're also gonna earn back $30 from Rakuten if you're a new user and you used my link below in the description box. Everyone is gonna get 10% back. So for my order, it wound up being a little bit more than 10% somehow. I don't know what it was calculating it off of, but for this order, it'll be at least $3.78 cash back. Then when you go to pick up this order, go inside and ask for a paper receipt. Most stores, not all, but most stores still offer paper receipts. You're gonna take that receipt, submit to Ibotta. You're gonna wind up getting $3 cash back per CoverGirl product that you grabbed. You grabbed 2 CoverGirl Eye, that's $6 cash back. This expires in 1 day as well. So again, place your order today to get the Rakuten cash back, to get the promo code deals, and to get the cash back from Ibotta. If you wait, some of these are gonna be gone and the deal's not gonna be as good. Then you're gonna submit to checkout 51 for $2 back on the CoverGirl Eye. So it makes your final cost free and a $19 moneymaker. Your cash cost, you paid $37.87. You got back $30 from Rakuten, plus $3.78 from Rakuten, plus $2 cash back from checkout 51, plus $6 cash back from Ibotta, winds up being almost a $4 moneymaker, even in regards to your real cash cost, which is incredible. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. If you have any other deals you want to mix and match, drop them in the comments. So definitely check the comments below, see if there's other great deals going on that you can mix and match, put together a scenario that works best for you. I get comments all the time, oh, I don't have this coupon, or I don't need this product, what can I change it for? There's no way I'm gonna know how to do that for you. I don't know what coupons you have, I don't know what products you use. The best way to do it, all you have to do is, as long as you're spending $30 plus taxes and shipping out of pocket, you're good to go. You'll get the $30 cash back. It does not matter what the products are. So you can mix and match any deals. Just go to your coupons on the Walgreens website, or you can do it on the Walgreens app. Scroll through the coupons. Just see what coupons are available that you have, because some coupons are going to be only for you coupons, meaning you have it and I don't, or I have it and you don't. Just not everyone has it. So there might be a really good deal on Dove body wash and you have a $5 coupon and maybe you want to put that in instead of something else. So mix and match, put together a deal that works best for you. Don't forget to submit your order and I will see you in the next video. Bye.